Hiking up the Tungchong River and looking out to Sunset Peak, we go stream hiking on Lantau Island. This is Shek and Fern. So welcome back to episode 9 of the Water Adventure series. We're here now in Shek Mun Kap. Today I have replaced the DJ with one of our enthusiastic interns. You are?
Hi everyone, I'm Chloe. Nice to meet you here.
So today we're gonna hike up here at Shek Mun Kap up to Pak Kung Au. I heard that it's your first time doing stream hiking, right?
Yes, and I'm actually a little bit nervous about it, but I do want to give it a try.
So today I prepared this for you.
Thank you.
You're gonna need this. Let's go now.
Let's go.
Summer has come and the weather is getting hotter. So we're taking a break from the mountainous trails and finding activities closer to the water. With almost 500 kilometers of coastline and plenty of gushing streams and waterfalls, Hong Kong has lots of energetic things to do that will keep you outdoors without overheating. In this series, we take on 10 water adventures that can all easily be done in one day. In this episode, we follow the beautiful Tungchong River and hike up to Pak Kung Au. We first take the bus from Tungchong MTR station to Shek Mun Kap Road, then walk down from the bridge and start the hike. The rocks here are wet and polished after being washed by water a million times, so mind your footing otherwise. Whoa!
Surprise!
Yeah, I'm glad it's on camera. The water is very clear and brimming with colorful fish and river shrimps. The stream connects multiple shallow pools, so you can always jump in and cool off. This trail is a nice getaway from the city and relatively easy compared to other stream hikes we have done in the previous episodes, as the stream is shallow and there are no high rock scrambles, but it still makes a good challenge for first-timers like Chloe. What are you doing, Chloe?
Victory!
We still got a long way to go. That's a bad demonstration of how to stream hike. For your safety, don't rush. So recently, I saw some fatal accidents on the news regarding people going out coasting or stream hiking. So as the weather is getting hotter and hotter, the weather is very unpredictable, and I would suggest you guys to bring enough water to prevent getting heat stroke, and also pick a shorter route. Hiking on red rocks with steep cliffs and unpredictable rainstorms is dangerous. And sadly, we see fatalities in Hong Kong every year. So please exercise extra caution if you choose to follow one of our suggested hikes. Chloe, you doing okay? Yeah, you see that? I just did. After a 3-kilometer hike, Sunset Peak is in view with a few white puffy clouds and Tungchong behind. We're both exhausted and decide to take the alternative and go the traditional way of Shek and Fern. So both of us are exhausted, so I've decided to go the DJ's way, which is bushwhack our way out. Seems like I have found the right path. Let's go. The path is slippery and full of vines and mosquitoes. We climb up the ridge and reach Pak Kung Au. From there, we take a bus back to Tungchong MTR station. So that's the end of this episode. Nothing too spectacular to see, but a relatively short hike suitable for amateur hikers. What do you think?
Actually, I think it's still very, very challenging.
Really?
It's very slippery, but it's a great chance to get close to the nature, and there are a lot of fish and water. It's very soothing.
Yes, that's true. It's a great getaway from the city. For now, my name is George.
My name is Chloe.
And this is Shek and Fern.
Bye. 对对对，这里好多哇，好可怕！天哪！